What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's CBD flower review. Today we've got a review on the Pistachio strain from CBD Power, coming in at a solid 18% CBD. So we're going to open the bag and tell you guys what this smells like. So I wouldn't say this was a super pungent strain, but I would say there's a nice sweetness to this. I've had strains that are gelato and strawberry that smelt similar to this, so I would definitely say this was more on the sweet, fruity side of things. And then I'm just getting your generic hemp smell in the background, but I can't wait to break this stuff up because, like I said, there is a nice sweet smell to this in the bag, so I'm sure the terpenes are going to start flying once I chuck this in the grinder. So let's see what this bud looks like up close. And this is the Pistachio strain from CBD Power UK, guys. As you can see, beautiful bud. It's dense, it's got a great trichome coverage, the trim job's good, and it's light green in colour. I cannot wait to break this bud open because, as you can see yourself, guys, really good looking bud. So let's see what the trichome coverage is like on the inside of this one. And that is what the inside of this strain looks like, guys. Outside to inside, it looks beautiful. Outside to inside, the trichome coverage is amazing. I'm getting a creamy to amber orange colour on the trichomes when I look at it from the inside. And like I said to you guys, just really impressed with the outside and inside of this bud and just breaking it open. It's nice and crispy on the outside, but there was a nice crack when I broke it. So this is probably cured really well too. I can't wait to see what this stuff smells like in the grinder. So now let's shoot up and see what it smells like. So guys, now that we've done the close-ups, I'm going to chuck some of this in the grinder, and I'm going to tell you guys straight away, this is cured really well because it's nice and crispy and dry on the outside, but the inside, super sticky. Super sticky. And that's before I've even ground it up. That's just picking it apart. So I'll say, cure on this, really good. And I've said this about a few strains before, and I'm going to say it about this strain too. This is pretty close to some THC strains. It's nice and dense, compact, solid. There's not much leaf matter on this, which you do get from hemp strains from time to time. So let's give this a smell. Okay, so first of all, really nice, fresh smelling strain. And it's pretty close to what it smelled like in the bag, actually. I'm getting a nice sweet smell. I'm getting maybe a little bit of haze in the background. Not super strong when it's ground up, but I am just getting a nice overall smell. Nice fruity, sweet smell to this strain. I wouldn't say it's the most pungent strain I've had in the grinder, but it is a really nice smelling strain, a nice sweet, hazy smell to it. So there's only one thing to do now, and that is get a Dynavap, and we're going to fill it up, and I'm going to tell you guys what this flower feels like in my fingers when I'm loading the Dynavap up. Is it dry? Is it sticky? And I'm sure you guys know what I'm going to say already. I've said it already through this video, but I'm having some trouble with this. There's just flour sticking to my fingers. There's so many trichomes on this. I really haven't seen many flowers, if any, with this trichome coverage on it, because looking at the middle of this, it's just super sticky. And now that that Dynavap is done, as you can see, look at my fingers. My fingers are super tacky. Stick test is just, this is probably one of the stickiest strains I've tried. And I wouldn't say it's because it's not cured. I would just say that there's so many trichomes on this bud that is super sticky. And my fingers are super sticky, like I just showed you guys. But there's only one thing to do, and that is heat up the Dynavap. This is heat up number 1 in the Dynavap with this Pistachio strain. And I'm really impressed with this strain, and I haven't even vaped this, so let's see what it's like in the micro. Good terpene hit there. Good vapor too, which is kind of surprising with terpene hits sometimes. Again, I'm getting a nice sweetness. This sweetness is transferring really well in the bag, in the grinder, and now with that first terpene hit, there is a sweetness that is kind of sticking around through the whole process. But I'm going to grab the Dynavap and we're going to go in for the second heat up. This is heat up number 2. I will say my fingers are still sticky. the sweetness is going away now, but like I said to you guys, there was a hazy smell to this strain, and there's definitely a hazy taste coming in now, but that wasn't bad at all. Really nice clean vapor, and it still had some good taste to it. This is heat up number 3. Let's see if we can get some good vapor now. Whew. The good thing is I'm not really getting much of a throat hit from this. This is a pretty smooth strain. The 3rd heat up and I'm still getting good flavour from this. So the strain is going really well so far. So this is the next heat up, guys. And I'm going to say it. I've had good flavour so far. And I'm kind of waiting for that earthy vapour hit now. So let's see if we can get some good vapour from this one. Definitely gone more on the earthy side now, but like I said to you guys, still smooth vapor, good vapor. I really can't complain with this strain in the Dynavap so far. So although that nice flavour is gone now and it's earthy, it's definitely still manageable, and I'm still getting a really good amount of vapor from this, and it's smooth. So until I'm getting some sort of throat hit or the vapor goes, I'm going to keep vaping this. Good vapor again, definitely got a little bit of a throat hit then, so I'm probably going to push this one more and see if we can get some more vapor out of this strain. Definitely a bit of a throat hit in that last one, but I think there's still more vapor to get from this strain, so let's push this, see if we can get any more vapor out of this to where it's comfortable to use. The taste really isn't that great anymore, but I'm really impressed with this strain in the Dynavap. Now, we're going to get a dosing capsule, fit this Mighty, and we're going to go to 200. So as we always do, guys, we're going to grab a dosing capsule, fill it up with this Pistachio strain from CBD Power, and I'm going to say it again, guys. This strain is super sticky. Just loading up the dosing capsules, just loading up the Dynavap. This one is so sticky. So now that is done, dosing capsule loaded, we're going to put a cap on this, chuck it in the Mighty, and like I said to you guys, we're going to go to 200. There it is. We're at 200, guys. So let's see what the terpene's like in the Mighty. Super nice sweet terpene hit again. Really like this one. Nice little tingle in the mouth there with that terpene hit, but really flavorful. This terpene hit in the Mighty is impressive. Let's jump straight back in and see if we can get that flavor back. Second hit is good too. The vapor production on this strain is great. I'm getting real lungfuls of vapor, and at the start as well, it is nice and smooth. So I'm getting good vapor, it's smooth, and I'm getting good flavor for the first 3 or 4 hits. We're still gonna pull any of those sweet terpenes out. Still getting decent flavour, although it's more on the hazy side, like I said in the Dynavap. Definitely manageable, not really on the earthy side yet. And yeah, that's a 3rd hit. So let's see if we can get even more vapour with this 4th. Still great thick vapour clouds. An ever so slight hit on the back of my throat there, but definitely manageable. Not bad at all. Ooh, that one definitely hit my throat a little. There's just so much vapor, and I'm definitely ooh, there's just so much vapor, And I think we're definitely ending this oven now because it is more on the earthy side. I'll probably have one more go, but I'm definitely on the earthy side, and I'm definitely getting that throat scratch now, which does indicate the end of that dosing capsule. So I did say I was going to push this dosing capsule one more time, so hopefully it's not too harsh. That wasn't too bad, but definitely on the earthy side now. I think that last one just hit so hard because there was so much vapor. Ugh. The throat hit is coming in now, and you guys know what is up next. We're going to grab this piece now, fill it up with a little bit of this pistachio, get a little one hit in. Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. One thing I do want to say was the flavour was really good. So guys, there is the joint of this pistachio ready to go. So start of this joint, tastes really good. It's nice and smooth too. That bong rip hit me straight in the dome. I gotta be honest, this strain is burning really well too. I'm not struggling to keep a cherry on this at all. It's burning really nice. In a joint, this is pretty enjoyable. And that's where the harshness and the lip burning comes in. So guys, what do I think about the pistachio strain from CBD Power UK? So guys, this pistachio strain from CBD Power UK looks, what do I think about the looks of this? Like I said to you guys in the review, I've said it a few times, I'm going to say it again with this one. This is pretty close to THC strains now. It was nice and dense, there wasn't really many leaves on it. Really nice looking strain, and the trichome coverage on this one was a bit of a joke. One of, if not the best trichome coverage I've seen on a CBD strain. It was so sticky, and just looking at it when you broke the buds open, there was just trichomes everywhere. So looks wise, I'm going to give this a 9.5. Smell wise, definitely wasn't the most pungent strain I've had, but it was a nice, fresh, sweet smell to it. So I'm going to give the smell of this an 8.5. The taste of this was good. 2 terpene hits out of this, maybe 3, which I'm really impressed with. And the smell of this strain definitely carried over to the taste. Not super strong tasting, but it was a really nice, sweet taste. So I'm going to give the taste of this an 8. Do I think this is a day or a nighttime strain? I would probably put this more on the indica side, not heavy indica, but more on the indica side. So I would probably say this would be better for like the evening tonight, because I definitely feel a lot more calm, feel a nice buzz, feel it in my eyes, and I do just feel relaxed. So I would definitely put this more in the afternoon to night strain. The effects of this were great, like you just heard me say then, guys. Really nice head buzz off this. I could really feel it in my eyes, and when I took that bong hit with combustion, it really whacked me across the head. Feel nice and relaxed, nice and calm and happy. I'm just really impressed with the effects on this one, and I will say at the height of the hit from this, the pain relief was amazing. Near enough completely gone, the pain in my chest. From no pain relief to complete pain relief, no pain left to take away. I'd say this was a solid 9.5. I was really happy with the pain relief of this strain. And overall, guys, I really liked this strain. It looked good, it smelt nice and fresh, it tasted good, the vapor was great. The pain relief was really good on this one. There's not really much I can say bad about this strain. I'm really happy with it. Effects were nice. Pain relief was good. Smell, looks, taste. I'm happy with this strain. So if you guys enjoyed the video, let me leave a thumbs up. Put some comments in that comment section. Follow me on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll speak to you guys later.